Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Entire staff members, along with the contribution of the villagers, the parents, the students and community of Malkarne village helped me in reaching the heights. I dedicate this award to the entire villagers of Malkarne village. I'm thankful to the Government of India. I'm thankful to the Directorate of Education and Government of Goa for motivating me in every step.
Truly deserves this honor, and we are proud of her because this is not the first time that she has achieved this laurels for Goa. In the past also, Swachh Vidyalay Puraskar व 2 फावटी सतत म्हणजे व्हेरी रेरेस्ट रेर असो हो जो एवॉर्ड आसा तो पयले 2 फावटी मेळयला आनीक ह्या इतक्या यंग एजीचेर हो जो पुरस्कार प्राप्त जाता ताका खऱ्यांनीच खूब म्हत्व आसा.
पोलीस खातीर आमचे गोंयान जे टिचरीक नॅशनल एवॉर्ड मेळला सिंधुबाई प्रभुदेसायक आय वॉन्ट टू विश हर ऑल द बेस्ट आनी आय हॅव बीन पार्ट ऑफ दॅट स्कूल इनॉग्रेशन आशिल्लो प्लस तेजे कशें काम करताले ते हांवें पळयल्लें. And she is really hard working and she has done lot of things which a normal school जे करना ते भशेन तिने केल्ले आसा. So I wish her all the best and many more awards to see in her name. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm Sharmila Umesh, principal of Sharda Mandal School, Miramar. We were feeling a little low today because today is Teachers' Day and in normal circumstances, our children would have been all in school wishing us, giving us cards. So we were really not expecting much to happen today. But our parents of Sharda Mandir have been so nice, they've been wanting to show their gratitude and love to the teachers, and they have told us that they want to have a small rally for us wherein they will just come across the school and wish our teachers.
I must say we are very much grateful to the parents because they have taken the initiative to recognize, though we are in this crisis of COVID, where parents cannot interact with us here, but they themselves wanted to prove that they miss us, and so they have done this beautiful exercise of having a rally and with the children.